Hey guys, so let's talk about Cookbook.dev today. Cookbook.dev is a marketplace for smart contracts where you can upload any smart contract or find any smart contract that you require. To access their services, simply head to Cookbook.dev and search here for any smart contract that you require. So we will be choosing ERC20. You can open it here and you can see all the source code here. We will be opening it with ChainIDE, and using ChainIDE we can compile it, deploy it, and make interaction with our deployed smart contract. So here we can import this whole smart contract, the whole project template using ChainIDE. And there is another method you can import using npm also. For that, simply copy this npm command for this simple ERC20 token. Visit ChainIDE sandboxes, choose npm hard hat, and paste the copied command here. And you will be able to import the whole project template using this ChainIDE sandbox also. Here we can see, yes, and this is another way how you can import project templates from Cookbook.dev to ChainIDE. Thanks for watching and stay in touch with us as we will be having more features to update with our dev community. Have a nice day.